Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, it's me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more latest and stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine straight hair, and so beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. And very attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle with undercut. Very beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered. Deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved out. Very attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, black color, and dark brown. And so beautiful ideas of funky colors. Trendy ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more. Trendy ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye. for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it on all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon, take care and bye bye.